Hi there, I'm Ismail from Pearl Lemon, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to find pages on your website that Google already likes but hasn't pushed the page to one yet. These are some of the easiest SEO wins you'll ever find because Google is already testing these pages in search results. We just need to spot them. So the first thing you need to do obviously is to open Google Search Console. Some people know the link of head, but I usually just search Google Search Console on Google and click on the first um, result. So now that we've picked out the site that we are working on, we just go to the performance part of Google Search Console. This report shows us how Google users are already interacting with our site's SERP, search result. So if we scroll down here, we are not really interested in queries, we are interested in pages. Now, now that we've come to the pages aspect, we now want to arrange by by impressions because this tells us the pages that people are seeing the most. Then the next thing now is that we have to find the sweet spot. And the sweet spot of pages are pages that are ranking an average position of 20 to 40. So all you need to do is come up here and you select position and you go for, let's say, greater than 20, and then we're done. So now we have a page right here that is ranking higher than 20 on average but has 6,250 impressions. And it is no surprise that the fact that it is no surprise that the fact that it has over 6,000 impressions and 16 and but it has little clicks, 16 clicks from 6,000 impressions is very bad no matter how you look at it. And the reason is that it is averaging page 3 in terms of position. But clearly Google thinks this page is relevant but not good enough to break into page 1. Now, this page is what we like to call low hanging fruit. Think about it. Google is already crawling the page. Google has indexed the page and Google has been testing it for multiple searches. If we were to click on this page now, we would see that there are over 400 queries that Google is testing this page for. And among these queries, there's only one that, okay, there are a lot that are in page 1, but it's not the ones that are getting most of the impressions for this page. What is a menstrual cup? 610. It's getting 50, it's on position 15. Okay, we have this one that is in position 5, but we have the third highest is 26.7. So if you find a page like this, usually you want to open the page and see what's going on there. And as you can see, this is good, but the first thing I would observe here is that the content is a bit thin, and I would add a whole lot more content on this page. But at this stage, we are not optimizing yet. The mission is just to identify the opportunities. The point here is that if you skip the step of finding opportunities and you jump straight into fixing as many pages, you might find that you are wasting your time and energy when there is something else that if you give the same energy you would reap a lot more benefits. So to recap, high impressions mean Google is interested, And positions 20 to 40 means the page is closed. The page has already done some work. These pages are your fastest SEO wins. And in subsequent lessons, we will be sure to show you how to take advantage and optimize these pages once you are able to identify them. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask them. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.